This is Dr. Fix. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a problem with this your OBD port, this Thinkdiag. This is actually good. I got it 2 years ago and it has been very functional and very helpful. Not until recently some things started happening. When I plug it, it just show blue and it won't want to connect with the interface which I'm using to actually run it. So if you've come across this kind of problem or you've run into this kind of problem before, you want to stick tuned because I'm going to be assisting you to solve this problem. Okay, here we go. I've actually saw someone who make a video about this on YouTube. He pieces it, he dissected it and tore it apart, but at last it didn't solve it. In my own case, I went ahead to tear my own apart. You can see the line is open, but I didn't see anything that is fried or damaged inside because I'm hoping that something is fried inside. So at last, I was actually contemplating on either to throw this off, to trash this, or to keep it. If I trash it, my money is gonna get lost. If I keep it, what use will it be if it doesn't really do what it's supposed to do? So that's a problem which I have, and I'm gonna deal with it. So right now, as it is, if I plug it right now and the blue light starts showing, that's not how it's supposed to work. How it's supposed to work is, when you plug it, it's gonna show green light here, around here. Then when the interface is connected successfully, then it will start showing blue. But here, when you connect it, it will start showing blue and it will not allow the interface to connect. So let me go ahead and connect this dongle right here on the OBD port that is somewhere here, and let's take a look and see if it's gonna act up like that today. Okay, you hear it, and that's it right there. It's showing blue. Now I'm gonna open my interface and see if it's gonna connect. So be on the same page if you have this problem. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my local and let's just go to local diagnostics. Okay, let me go to Asia and let me click. Okay, let me go to EU and let me click on Volkswagen. Let's see if it's gonna connect. It's already showing blue already, which is a sign of being connected. So let's search for it and see if it's gonna pair. It's searching. It's writing connecting. But when you have this problem, it's not gonna connect. It's never gonna connect. If you plug this and it starts showing blue right away, it's never gonna connect. So now, on a very good day when this thing is working fine, when this Thinkdiag is working very fine, it doesn't take up to 30 seconds for it to connect. Now let's read out what it wrote. Look at it right there. Bluetooth connection attempt failed many times. Please try and follow the suggestion. Check the Bluetooth connector has been powered on the effective distance 10 meters. If the Bluetooth connector is used with other equipment or blah blah blah, unpair and all that, otherwise the system setup program switch or blah 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 blah. So this is what's gonna keep telling you. You click OK, it's not gonna connect. Scan is gonna scan, but it won't connect. So are you done? Okay, I'll be there a second. So it's never gonna connect. You're gonna be seeing it right there. Right now it's not trying to connect, but it's not gonna connect. So here, what we're gonna be doing right now is my own fix that's gonna solve this problem is what I'm gonna show you now. Look at it. It's still not connecting. Still the same old language of attempting to connect, failed, blah 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 blah, and it doesn't connect. So what do you do? My own first thing, I'm gonna be suggesting you should unhook it, right? Then we'll connect it back. see if it's gonna work. It still didn't turn green. What we are looking at is for this thing to turn green. Once it turns green, I try to wiggle it as many times to see if it's actually coming from this connector. I changed it from the other side to see to remove the wire and see if the problem is gonna go away. Okay. So guys, you see, sorry for that break in transmission. Okay, so you see it's still not solved. So how do I get to do this? So the first thing I want to do here is to click off and cancel. So do as I do. All right, now the next thing you want to do here is I want to find a place I'm gonna hang these my camera, so I perform the magic. All right, this is it. So let me do something real quick, then I get back to you guys and I tell you what I did to get this problem solved. See, right now it has turned blue, it has turned green. So the question is, how did I got this back working? Now let's try to see if we can pair our device with it. Now I'm gonna hear a sound and it turns blue and it's gonna, now it's connected. Let's watch it. Say please wait. You can see it blinking right there, showing it's communicating. So it's solved, right? Now it has successfully paired. So what did I do to it? How did I get it working? Anyway, the simple trick right there is when you got it plugged, right? If you have this kind of wire, which I have here, that's gonna be good. But if you don't have it, you wanna get this wire, you wanna get this extension first, because without this extension, you can't be able to perform what I just did right now. So what did I do? I kept this thing here, hold it by hand, and I find something like this quarter-inch ratchet, and I smack it a couple of times. Just keep smacking it, don't smack it too much, right? Don't smack it like you wanna damage it, just keep tapping it. The light is gonna turn green. As soon as it turns green, then stop. So I believe that there is some sort of hardware failure inside this very dongle right here. I don't know the parts that actually failed, but it's a failure, and that's what is disrupting the communication right there. So each time I tap it, it comes back. Right now everything is connected and is working fine. So let me go back and demonstrate to show you that this thing is working fine. So you can see right now, so if I go back and unpair it, right, it's gonna start showing green again. Yes, you wanna quit? Yes. So come on. Now did you see that? It's showing green again, so which means it's ready to pair again. Now let's pair it again. Let's pair it again. Just keep watching, gonna press OK. It turns blue right away and it's connecting. So guys, I know this helped you to solve your problem, so kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you guys later. This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. If you have any question or any comment, drop it below this comment section, and I gotta get back to you as soon as possible. Bye for now. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay alive. Catch you later.